Hey family students, it's me. I miss you. But here we are to talk about the course project. Just want to give you a little bit of a heads up. The reason I'm over here, by the way, is because I thought you might want to see Aries. That's my kitty, Aries. Handsome Aries. See? Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy, Aries. Okay. Did I tell ya? Animal-filled excitement. All right, let's talk about assignments. First, I want to show you one thing, though. Okay, I actually find this really handy, and I forgot to tell you in the video that I did. But if you want a kind of a nice summary of things that are due in here, this is a really good one. So there you go. Just thought that might be helpful. Now let's go to our course assignments. And I just want to talk about these because we won't have a chance to in class. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, this is what I decided to do. You will notice when you look through the syllabus that I have removed the student pantry from, or as a course project. So you're no longer responsible for that since we're not doing anything with it now. So I know some of you have already done a lot of things for it. You're welcome to just consider that your community involvement. But you also have my thanks and never-ending love for all the stuff that you've done for it. But that's not part of our class anymore. Now we have two options for our course project. You can choose either one. You definitely don't have to do both. The first one you can do is the one that you've had up all semester, and it involves really two different things. The first one is you need to find a contemporary advertisement that deals with families, portrayals of families and family ideals. Then you need to do a brief analysis of it. So you need to write a paragraph that talks about some of the hidden assumptions in the advertisement. That's step one. Step two is create your own ad. And it can be anything. It can be a video, it can be a radio ad, it can be the one that I have up, I think, as an example, is actually, it looks a lot like this one, and so it's just kind of a magazine ad, which is what this one is. It could be a mock billboard, it can be a TV ad, it can be a script for a TV ad, it can be whatever you want, as long as it provides a more realistic portrayal of, I know. I have a kitty who's very sad. I'm not paying attention to her. Are you sad? Oh no. Anyway, so provide that, and then, talk a little bit about that. Go look at what I did because I did this assignment. I actually thought it was kind of fun. I'm sorry I'm not paying attention. The second one, I decided to do this for reasons. But I thought if you also were interested in talking about violence as it affects families, we could if we wanted to. So this is, I will have to update some of this terminology, but essentially what you're going to do is research one of these topics. You can just pick one of those, do a little bit of research, and then create some kind of output. I don't know what it'll look like. What do I suggest? I probably say things like brochures or websites or videos or what have you, that address some of the questions and just get information out there about violence pertaining to this particular group. So here are some questions to look at. And do I say... Yeah, poster, brochure, and get it out there. Get the information out there. And so essentially this is researching violence against a certain group of people and getting that information out there. I know, it's very upsetting. And then I think that is it. If you have any questions about either of these, please feel free to text me um, or message me or email me, and it's all good. I hope you have a delightful day, and I miss you.